Many electricians who have many years of experience don't know where to start when it comes to actually pricing work. I'm going to help you with that process. We're starting a series on estimating a job, and I'm going to help you learn the process of pricing a project. Pricing a job is not about memorizing numbers. Costs are always changing. Copper is increasing, steel is increasing, and PVC is increasing, and you have to constantly get updates on your pricing. So it's not memorizing numbers. It's not as intimidating as people often think. You just have to know the process. You just have to know what steps to take to make sure you cover all of your costs. And I'm going to start an estimating series of videos to take you through that process and help you learn and become more confident in your ability to price jobs and better understand how much it's going to cost you. So subscribe to the channel, tune in to the upcoming videos on the estimating process. Thanks for watching.